Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link text boxes in LibreOffice Writer step by step so you can make text flow from one frame into another without manually copying and pasting. This is a really useful trick if you're building newsletters, reports, flyers, multi-column layouts, or any document where you want your content to continue neatly from one text box to the next. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you already have a document started, you can open that file right away. If not, on the left side under Create, click Write a Document to start a new document. Once your document is open, we need to create two text frames because those are the boxes we're going to connect together. Depending on your layout, you can insert a text box or frame using the drawing or frame tools in Writer. The important thing is that you have two separate frames on the page. Now click on the first frame to select it. This step is important because LibreOffice needs to know which frame you want the text to flow from. Once the first frame is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You should see the link frames icon. Click that icon and then move to the second frame and click it. That tells LibreOffice that the first frame should connect to the second frame. Once you've done that, the frames are now linked. What this means is that when the text in the first box reaches the end, it will automatically continue into the second box. This is especially helpful when you're working with longer content and want a clean, professional layout without breaking the flow of your writing. If it doesn't seem to work right away, double check that you selected the first frame before clicking the link tool and then click the second frame afterward. That order matters. Also, make sure you're actually working with frames or text boxes that support linking because not every shape behaves the same way. You can use the same method to create more advanced layouts too. For example, you can link one frame to another on the next page or set up a chain of text boxes across a document so your content flows naturally from one section to the next. This is a great feature for anyone trying to make a document look more polished and organized. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, create or open your Writer document, create two text frames, select the first frame, click the link frames icon, and then click the second frame. After that, your text will flow from the first frame into the second frame automatically. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.